In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize page borders in Microsoft Word. Whether you're sprucing up a document for work or adding a finishing touch to a personal project, a well-designed page border can make your pages stand out. Let's dive right in and transform a simple document into something that leaves a lasting impression. First up, navigate to your Microsoft Word file. This is your canvas, and we're about to enhance its look. Once you've opened the file, you'll see a menu bar running across the top. Our journey begins here, specifically under the Design tab. Click on Design, and your attention should be directed toward the right side where you'll find the Page Background section. Here lies the key feature we're interested in today, the Page Borders option. Page borders can significantly influence the aesthetic appeal of your document, and Word provides ample variety in styles to suit your needs. Next, click on Page Borders. This step opens a dialog box that gives you numerous choices to customize your page border. You'll notice that you have options for selecting the style, color, and width of your border. There are even some preset art styles if you're looking to add a bit more personality. Take a moment to explore these options and consider what would complement your document best. Whether you prefer a classic double line, a more modern shadow effect, or something whimsical, there's likely to be something that fits the bill. Once you've chosen your preferred style, you can apply it to the entire document or select specific sections. This flexibility is particularly useful when working with longer documents or when only certain parts require emphasis. Don't forget to hit OK to apply the changes once you're satisfied with your selections. Now take a moment to review the final result and ensure it aligns with your vision. A cohesive and visually pleasing document isn't just about content, but also how you present it. And a well-thought-out border can make all the difference. And that's it. You're done. With just a few simple clicks, you've added a touch of elegance to your document, ready for any presentation or personal use. Remember, while a page border can enhance readability and focus, make sure it doesn't distract from your content. Strike a balance between design and functionality for the best results. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful, making your Word documents more visually appealing. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.